So the kids and I have been looking at old photos, and I came across a photo of myself on top of Haystack Mountain. I believe it was the winter of 1993. I was 21 years old. I would have turned 22 May of that year, but that was the last time that I climbed Haystack Mountain. And
but we're gonna do it again.
Yep, guess what's gonna happen? We're gonna do it when we go back to New York. We are gonna conquer that mountain.
Are we doing it with Maya?
Me, you, and
Lucas.
Oh, you want Lucas to come?
Yes.
And my.
What about Lucas?
And Lucas. We wish that Mommy could come, but she will be in our hearts as we get to the top and we enjoy the beautiful view.
But we don't want it to happen like next time because
last time.
My dog.
Yeah.
Our
dog did a bad thing. What did our dog do?
That.
Almost died.
How?
They got in a fence with a bull and 2 leopards.
And they had big horns. And she was chasing them all around, and they were trying to get her with the horns. And
kick her.
I thought she was dead. The kids started crying. Mommy was freaking out. It was chaos. But thank God she came back.
I saw a book because that's...
Yeah. Hawkeye.
Yeah, I'm Hawkeye.
Hey, I was Hawkeye when she almost got lost. Because I found her.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Deuces.
Deuces, Hawkeye.
Well, we're at the parking lot for Haystack Mountain. We've been here before. And
Maya almost died.
Maya almost died.
Yes, did.
She sure did. Right over there. I don't know if we're going to be able to see the cows, but if we see the cows, we'll show you the cows that we've told the story to. Because they got some pretty big horns. But anyway, we've been here before. Last time we were here, we were with my beautiful wife, Brianna. And Lucas.
Our friend.
But today, it's just me, my boy Logan, my daughter Lita, and our pain in the butt dog Maya.
Hello.
So, we're gonna pack up our stuff and get on the trail. So come join us. All right, I'm all packed up. Got my camera in the front. Got my backpack on. Kids are all hydrated, ready to go.
We did some stretching.
Maya's on a leash,
Maya
so she
just
can't run off. I heard the hike was 4 miles round trip. I'm not sure what the elevation gain is.
1 mile.
Oh, what is it?
4.1 miles.
4.1 miles round trip. Again, I don't know what the elevation gain is, but when I find out, I'll let you know. Maybe I'll let you know in the description. But here we go. We're parked here. Here's a little sign. right over here. It says Haystack. Park on
Hill Road.
Wait Hill Road. So, and then we gotta walk up this trail, and then it'll get us to the main trail. Warm day for October in Vermont. Alright, you see them two mountains behind me? I can't remember how long ago. I think I was maybe 20? 19, 20? No, 20. I was 20. Me and my ex-girlfriend's sister climbed one of the mountains. Whatever one it was the wrong mountain. We took the wrong trail, and instead of climbing Haystack, we climbed a mountain right next to Haystack. So it's either that one or that one. I think that's Haystack, and I think that's the mountain we climbed right there.
My dad's spitting like a beast.
So this is as far as we got when my beautiful wife hiked with us. I really just wanted to get to this spot just to see what the markings were, what the trail looked like, because again, I haven't been here in years. So so this is as far as we went the other day when my wife was with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Rita,
What?
what are you doing?
Washing my face off.
You taking a water break?
Yep.
Nice clear water, isn't it?
Yep.
What are you gonna do? Take a picture?
Okay, I'm done.
Nice shot. We just did a steep part, so I'm tired.
Real tired.
It's almost time to get back on the trail, so deuces.
Deuces.
We are definitely getting towards the top. Got a little thicker. I can't wait. Mommy, we conquered Haystack Mountain! Wish you were here! Woohoo!